Hello everyone, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to talk about how to use the floating window features in the Redmi K40 and the Poco F3 device. So as you can see friends, right now I'm playing the game here, and in the background you can see the small pop-up window as well where the video is running, as you can see here. So this is a small floating window which I did try to use while playing this game. So in this video I'll try to teach you how you can actually do this kind of trick, and you can watch the YouTube videos and other applications videos directly while playing the game. This is a way of doing the multitasking as well, friends. So let's begin the features and all those details, how to activate it. And in case if you're watching first time this channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel friends Sai Tech, and don't forget to check the links in description for the playlist of the Poco F3 smartphone. So first let me try to disable everything, so then I can talk you how you can actually do that. So let me try to disable this one. So there are a couple of ways how you can actually activate the floating window. So let me show you the easiest way of activating the floating window. So first you need to just open any application which actually supports the floating window features. So right now, as you can see friends, is a Redmi K40, which is also called as the Poco F3. So this is a Play Store which actually supports the floating window. So you just need to scroll down and look for the option which says the floating windows. As you can see, this is the option. Just click on that. So as soon as you click, the application will become in the small floating window, as you can see friends. So if it's not supported, it will display the message that application is not supported. So this is one way of doing, and which is the easiest way of doing the floating window in my opinion, and you can use in this way. And there is second method how to activate. So in the second method, you just need to open the multi window screen, and then you need to long press on the application and then click on this floating window. As you can see, now it opened in the floating window option. So these are two way of doing the floating windows. So another third way is that while gaming. So for example, you're gaming, and if you want to open any other application for the short amount of time, like if you want to see the messages, WhatsApp or Facebook, all those things, this will be the really helpful option. So you just need to swipe from the left side, click this arrow mark button, and you do get all the applications which are supported with the floating window. Just click on this option. So as soon as you click, you will get this kind of floating window, as you can see friends. So this is another way of activating floating window while gaming. So right now this is in the big window. So if you want to make it very small, just push this to the corners. So as soon as you push to the corners, it will become small, as you can see friends. So there's another option as well. So to decrease the screen, to decrease the size, just by clicking on the edges of the floating window. Any edge, it will try to decrease, as you can see friends. So now you can keep the floating window at any other position as well, as you can see, which doesn't disturb much. So any position. If you want to make it small, just push it to the left or right. It will become very small, as you can see friends. So this is one way of accessing, and when you click once, it will become small window, and then you can access, and now again keep it sides, as you can see friends. This is a way you can do it. And if you want to close completely, you just need to swipe upside. So the floating window will be closed completely. So this is a way we can actually do in this phone, friends. And for more this kind of interesting tips and tricks, make sure to subscribe to my channel Sai Tech, and don't forget to check the links in description for more videos on this particular smartphone. And thank you for watching this video, friends. And this is just a small demonstration how to do the floating window features in this Redmi K40 and the Poco F3 device. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.